Sunkist? You know I'm recording you.
You are?
Yes.
I gotta see your best pose.
Okay guys, what's up? Sunkist Fashion here. TM. Fashion TM here. But welcome back with Sunkist Poses. So, this one is called Gangnam Style. This one is called The Dance. And then make another pose.
Okay. Fire power. You don't like that one?
No, she doesn't like it.
What about this one? Number 1.
Okay.
You don't like that one either? What kind of pose do you like?
She likes this kind of pose. This is the kind of pose she likes.
Hey.
Well, you made 2 dozen. That's good.
Like this?
This is called the Superman
Nathan,
Sunkist.
you want to make? Do you want to make one? You want to make one?
Number
What do
1.
you want to make, baby?
You don't like that one?
A star.
Okay. Okay, you went down? Okay, that's all. She wants down now.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of Sunkist Fashion
Anime for me here.
and Anime Phobia.
Okay, that was a weird face.
Bye. Sunkist,
I
say
want to
bye.
watch it.
Sunkist, say bye.